You see this? That's a smile. And there's a reason why I'm smiling today. That's because I'm going to buy a new motorbike. So I'm going to take you along with me and show you the process of buying a new bike. We're at Honda Nusantara Sakti. We're going to check out bikes, see if there's anything in here decent. We've got ADVs, which aren't too bad. Well, 3 stories upstairs. Wonder how they get the bikes up here. Right on the top floor. This is the storage. They must have a lift. Alright, so these are, you've got different ones with your ABS brakes, but these ones have got like a screen where you can put your Google Maps and WhatsApp calls come through to your screen and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the bike I'm going to get. It's a PCX 160, ABS brakes, and yeah, I've ridden them heaps of times. We always rent these when we go to Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia and that. And they're just bigger, more comfortable bike. My bike's nearly 15 years old already, so it's about time for a trade-in. I'm not sure on the colour. I don't really like the colour that much, but sort of all they got. So he's going to trade in my other bike. We're going to send him a photo and see what he gives me on the bike, if it's enough. Okay, so you'll never believe it. I got things always come in threes, don't they? So it was Yuli's Honda, got a flat tyre, then the little Yamaha run out of petrol, and now I got a flat tyre on my bike and a hole in my muffler. So I'm here at the Bangkok Lass where they weld up your mufflers and stuff, and they just plugged the tyre. So now I'm just going back while they're finishing up welding my muffler. So everything happens in threes, doesn't it? Anyway. Alright, so this is the muffler. He's just brazing it up. They sort of braze it just with a bit of wire and an oxy torch, because it's so thin to weld, I suppose. You can't weld it unless you've got a MIG welder. So we'll just braze it with some wire and fix up the hole. That saves buying a new muffler anyway. Very good. All done. Alright, so he's just putting the muffler back on it. So it's a sad, sad day. I'm going to go down and sell. I've got someone wants to buy it. The old Supra X, been a good bike. I bought it brand new 2011. So it's like 14 years old. It's never missed a beat. A few new tyres, sprockets, chains, things like that. Small stuff. But yeah, I'm going to buy a new Honda or a new bike, so we're off to sell it. The last ride on the old bike. Pretty sad. I'm feeling very sad actually. I bought this bike brand new back in 2011 and she's been a great bike. Never had any trouble with it. So anyway, we're off to sell it. So sad. Just this little place sells second-hand bikes. That's a good Sukamota. Yeah, so it's pretty sad. I don't really want to get rid of the old bike, but progress is progress. Brand new bike will be good. Will last me another 10, 15 years. This Honda, I buy a Honda, they always last 15 years, you know, at least 10. So anyway, she's been a good bike, I tell you what. Never had any dramas with it, except for like sprockets, chains, tyres. So he's checked all the serial numbers and shit like that on it. Made sure all the paperwork's all right. We've got the blue book, what they call a blue book, like the actual book you get after you own it and register it. They give you a little book, nicknamed the blue book. It's not blue, but they call it a blue book. And all the paperwork's good, everything's good. So we're going to get the cash now. You more or less get, I think, 1 million less if we trade it in. So a million's a million, $100 $100. So sell it to this guy, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so it's done. So if you're selling anything ever, make sure you just get a proper receipt and a stamp and sign through the stamp. So he's just got a money transfer to the bank and it's all done. You got the receipt, you got the proof it's been sold in case there's any tickets. Now there's cameras on the traffic lights, they're sending people fines and stuff, so. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you the other key. And that's it. It's as simple as that. As long as you get the proper receipts and everything, it's all good. Oh, so sad my poor old bike's going. Anyway, that's it. So we're going to ride the little Genio home and then on Monday go in and buy a new PCX. This is a PCX here. These ones. This is what I want, one of these. This is one he's got for sale for 22 million, 2,200. But it's an old one, so I'm going to get a new one. They're about 4 grand for a new one, 40 million, 38 million or something. So sad. Look at the big empty space. There's not only an empty space in my heart, but there's an empty space in my garage now. My poor bike. That bike's just been everywhere. Every square inch of this island, that's for sure. Anyway, what's done's done. We sold it, got the cash. Tomorrow, going to buy the new bike. So this is the PCX I'm going to buy, but a different colour. So I'm just going to take one for a test ride, see what it's like. Okay, so done a test ride, so now, yeah, we just got to pay, do the paperwork, and in a few days' time they drop it off at your house. So we'll get into the paperwork. So Yuli's just going to put it in her name. It's easier that way. I'm the one who's probably going to die first, so we just always got the bikes in her name. So I can put it in my name, but I just choose not to. It's easier to have everything in her name. When we go to register, it's all registered under her name. He's the big boss, the salesman selling. He's the big boss here. Got the money machine going. Look out. And that's it. It's all paid. Now it's got to do the paperwork. They'll drop it at the house with some sort of temporary plates on it until they get it properly registered, and then we come in and pick up the plates. So what they'll do is take it to the registry office, have it registered properly, and save me the process of doing all that. They just do that for you, and yeah, that's it. So it's as simple as that. Now they'll just bring the bike in a few days' time to the house, and then that's when we'll sign all the papers and everything over at the house, and then that's it. They give us a temporary number plate valid for 1 month until the proper STNK card comes through. That's it, simple as that. Took 10 minutes. So we no longer got home, and he's already rung up Yuli and said they'll probably drop off the bike today. So that's pretty good. Pay in the morning, took 10 minutes. They'll bring it to the house and drop it. We'll sign the rest of the papers or whatever and give me the plates and whatever is going on. And that's it, all done. It's quick and as easy as that. How's that? So anyway, I'll get back to you when this bike turns up. Only been home a couple of hours and the truck's here ready to drop the motorbike off. A new toy is always good because I never really get any toys. Only Yuli gets all the toys. No. Don't you, darling?
You always do. Yeah.
So this is the first new toy I've had in a long time. All right, let's go check out this bike. So you can see it's all nice and clear and wet here. I made Yuli scrub it. I got the stock whip out actually and made her scrub it all clean, ready for the new bike to park right there. What do you reckon, darling?
Yes, I do.
Look out, and there it is. The new PCX. Just check out that glistening in the sun.
I do.
Oh no, don't drop it. Look at that, beautiful. The new beast. All right, so it's got some temporary plates on it till we get the proper rego. Look at that, it's a bit plain with all the red, so I'm going to get some pinstriping done around these lines or something, stickers on it or something. All right, so got a new helmet too. Good stuff. So just brought it down, fill it up. It's absolutely got no petrol in it at all, it's flashing. So we'll fill it up and yeah, take it for a ride. Okay, so just filled it up with petrol and it goes like a dream. It's really good. So good to have a new bike. See that smile? Okay, so Yuli's got to have a little pray for the new bike. So Yuli's having a pray over the new bike for good luck and all that sort of stuff. Wow, how smick does it look? It's brand new. I haven't had a brand new toy for so long. The helmet's good, all good. Okay, we're going to get on it and just go for a little ride. That's about it. So that's basically the process of buying a new bike. Pay in the morning, dropped off in the afternoon, all done. So anyway, if you like the video, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. And see you on the next video.